So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into our BIOS. So for me on my computer, it looks like this. Your BIOS will look different depending on your motherboard, but you want to find out how to get into your BIOS. So for example, if I go to search and I type in system information, next to my system model, it's going to be saying that I have the B450M DS3H. So now that I know what my motherboard is, I'm now just going to head over to any web browser and type in B450M DS3H BIOS button. And now for me, it says I need to press on the delete key. So basically, I need to restart my computer, and then as it's restarting, I need to spam the delete key on my keyboard. So in your case, you want to spam the key that you need to press for your BIOS. It's going to be either escape, delete, F12 or something else. Just find out what it is for your motherboard and then keep on pressing it until you get into this screen, which is your BIOS. And then once you're in our BIOS, it's going to be looking a bit different for you guys, but you want to find something called UEFI boot support. You may have something called like boot manager, or you may have like a tab called boot. You want to go to that tab, and then you should be having something called UEFI boot support. You want to disable that. So if I did have something called UEFI boot support, I don't have it on my computer, but in your case, if you have UEFI boot support, then you just want to disable it. So you want to click on it, and then for you, it should be saying something like disabled. You want to disable it. And now we can just exit out of our BIOS, continue, and then the problem should be fixed. Again, it's going to look different on your screen, so find out how to do it on your motherboard.